Welcome to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos, and in today's video I will teach you guys how you guys can log in into your Fairgo casino account. And it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, be sure to hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step. Let's move on. First step, you want to search for Fairgo casino login. After you search for it, the option where it says login to Fairgo Casino Australia, you want to click on it. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to this website. Over here where it says login, click on login at the top right corner. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to the login page, which is going to look just like this. Now once you're in this page, you need to click on login at the top right again, then only this thing will pop up. Now once this thing pops up, now it's pretty much easy. Where it says username, just enter the username of your account. Where it says password, enter the password of your account and click on login, and you should be able to log in into your Fairgo casino account. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys next time.